Lithium battery communicate with LUXPOWER inverter. Operation of inverter. Connect the positive and negative wires of the battery and inverter. Select the cable with the LUXPOWER node. Insert the RJ45 cable marked inverter port into the CAN port of the LUXPOWER inverter. The RJ45 cable marked battery port into the CAN port of the battery. Turn on the inverter after turning on the battery. And hold Enter on the inverter to into the selection page. Select Li don't type at 03 in BAT, brand as 2. Press Enter and wait until the inverter restarts to automatically communicate with the battery. Please wait patiently. A smiley face icon appears, indicating a successful connection.